how to fix enable to load comments. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix enable to load the comments on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first step is go to your Play Store or Google app and click on it and make sure you have the latest version of TikTok. Once you do that, go to your TikTok and all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Scroll down and click on free up space. You have cache. Clear your cache to free up space on TikTok app. If all of this stuff doesn't help, click on report a problem. And now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find follow, likes, comments. Scroll down and you're gonna find comments. Click on enable to load comments. They're gonna give you some advices. Make sure to do those advices. If this doesn't help, like switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear up video cache, restrict the app in your device, and make sure you are running the latest version of TikTok. If this doesn't help, click on no and click on need more help. Send them a feedback with your video shot or screenshot. And this is it guys, easy and quick. They're gonna solve your problem. It's gonna take about 30 24 hours, sometimes more, and they're gonna solve your problem easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.